Yeah, got it. Done.
Got it? Yes. So let us quickly complete it. Why to leave it incomplete? So here you go. We can easily collaborate. Okay, connect to a post. I'm writing this only advantage. Okay, so this is how you will be able to do it.
But I
Right?
can't find those colors which are coming on your screen.
Yes.
When you click on those three dots.
See, when you will click on these three dots, yes, you will be able to find the color. You will be able to change the color
I
also.
can find only three things.
No, it should not be there. It is there. When you will left click, it is there.
See, when I click on those three dots, it's coming connect to a post, disconnect from a post, copy post, expand post. Bus.
So this must be actually others are also facing this issue. Is that so? Dipti ma'am, can you please try changing the color of the
I
post?
couldn't. Even I couldn't because it's. I clicked on that pencil icon, that plus icon, but I couldn't get.
When you will click on that pencil icon, this kind of thing will be appearing. Okay, ये आपका ये आएगा white वाला.
Only again that block is there where I supposed to write, where I have written earlier, like it's time saving and all. But I couldn't find this whole concept, ma'am, to do anything.
Sorry, I didn't get you, Ritu ma'am. What did you say? I mean, you are able to find
actually, when I
when you click on that pencil icon, then
right now, so I couldn't find pencil even. Nothing is there. Only this screen, Canvas demo screen is there. Title, write something. But
you will be able to see when you will click on the link, na Baba, this link that has been given to you.
On this link, where earlier I have mentioned those two. Now I can see I have clicked on that sign. It's showing that block title, where under that I have mentioned those 2 points earlier. But I couldn't find that concept map. Are you getting
Meenakshi
me?
ma'am, like when you are clicking those three dots, you're getting such a long list.
Yes.
Drop down. I'm getting only those 4 options.
Wait. Let me tell you.
See, as I have done.
Yes.
When you post your.
Yeah, Dipti ma'am, speak.
Yes, ma'am. I am able to do. When you post. Yes, ma'am. I am able to change the color. When I post the whatever I have written, you just immediately click on that 3 dots.
That's what I'm saying.
We don't have permission to rewrite. Whenever I want to try once again the posted one, I can do. But when I post and immediately click on the 3 dots, then I can change.
You will be able to. Dipti ma'am, अब जरा ये जहाँ पर आपका नाम लिखा है दीप्ति सेठी येलो कलर में प्लीज इसका कुछ कलर और चेंज करिए because I don't want to do it. I want to get it done from you only. Where it is written Dipti Sethi, you click on the 3 dots and change the color. I'm not doing it. I want to see the color changed. You please go on your post, all of you that you have posted. You may change the color of your own post. You cannot change the color of somebody else's post. I, being the owner of this Padlet, I can change anybody's color. I am having these many options. When you will be creating your own Padlet, then you are the owner. You have the that privilege to make anybody's post different color and bring it front, bring it at the back. Okay, that is. If somebody has changed the color, we can collaborate. Who did that? I just saw it. This has been changed. Dipti Sethi. See, she has changed the color. You have to just click on 3 dots and then you will be able to change the color.
Yes, ma'am. Just you have to post. You can change only your post.
हाँ मैंने भी तो यही बताया. I thought
Yes,
only
yes.
said
No,
this
no.
thing only. दूसरों का
But
नहीं कर
now
सकते.
also I am not unable to do that.
एक मिनट मैम, ये किसने पोस्ट किया है रियल टाइम सेविंग? Who has done it?
मैम
I
मुझे
have
ये
done
नहीं
ना
पता चल रहा है.
time saving.
What I have written was interesting. तो ये यहाँ पे जो मुझे दिख रहा है वो है trying color changing. मतलब ये क्यों आया?
Sorry, ma'am. What did
Time
you write?
color changing is mine, ma'am.
It is yours.
I have done this.
Okay.
Really, time saving has been done by me.
Time saving.
Okay.
It is time saving you have written? It is time saving? Really time saving. Ritu ma'am has done. Okay. Ritu
हाँ.
ma'am, go to 3 dots. एक बार जरा click करो. अब पूरा उस पे edit नहीं करना है. Just उसको click करो. Post action इसके ऊपर आ रहा है ना, 3 dots. उसको click करो.
But how will I do? Actually, earlier I was doing through phone. Now I
हाँ,
switched
कोई बात
to
नहीं,
the
कोई बात नहीं.
system.
Relax.
Now,
You
now I am on the system. Now I am on the system. But how will I get that? How will I get connected with that? Like I can see the screen and all, but
हाँ.
that link which you have shared on phone,
Yes.
like how will I get it here? If
I
I
will
click,
post.
it is.
I'll post it in the chat,
Go to the chat
and then
window.
I'll post it in
Ma'am,
the
go to
chat.
the chat window.
Yes,
Acha,
yes.
acha, you have done it. Okay. हाँ, just do it on chat. Yeah.
ये लो.
हाँ.
चलिए.
Yeah. Okay, now wait. Really time saving. 3 dots. 3 dots. Connect to a post. Okay.
नहीं, उसमें और क्या आ रहा है?
उसमें अरे
एडिट पोस्ट की ऑप्शन नहीं आ रही. आएगी, आप अपने वाले पे
नहीं,
क्लिक करो.
really time saving I had done. Yeah.
Ma'am,
So now
just tell me how to put this comment because I am now unable to do that too.
Oh,
ये जैसे इन्होंने really time saving लिखा है.
ma'am,
Yeah,
ma'am,
Dipti ma'am
it
ने
will
भी-
be done with the link that I have shared with you in the chat. Click on the link and then you will be get a plus icon, pink color, that will change
That
to
I'm getting, yeah.
that will change to a pencil. Click over there and
Then
then
there comes a box title
yes,
and write something.
yes, you write
So
something.
title,
Yes.
No.
If you want to give in title, if you want to give in body, that is entirely up to you, like how you want to use it.
okay.
Actually, when I have clicked on 3 dots, there are 2 things: connect to a post, and one thing is expand post. 2 things are there.
So everybody is doing it, is happening. See, Dipti ma'am has changed everybody different
And
colors.
now I'm able to change the color also.
Yes.
But yet the options that I'm getting is edit post, connect post, transfer post, copy post, expand post, and delete.
हाँ.
Is
So ma'am,
these are the only available options?
only
right?
these are only available. You are getting everything
Okay.
now. See, let me
Acha.
tell you, listen, you will be able to make changes to the posts that are posted by you only, not by others.
Yeah, got it,
Otherwise, so
got it.
students, they will be able to delete each other's posts. Like for
Got it,
example,
got it.
अभी कोई बोले कि मेरा तो favorite color ये है and somebody else will do some another color, उसका change कर दे, तो it won't be possible. You will be able to change only
Done,
your
done,
post.
done.
But
Done.
if you want to connect, आप किसी का भी किसी से connect कर सकते हो, that kind of collaboration can be done. Okay.
Done.
So yes, I guess today for today only this much would be enough. For Ritu ma'am, I'll be just sharing once with her the map, and tomorrow if we'll be meeting, we'll be discussing the timeline. So
Okay.
yeah, Ritu ma'am, I'll just for you because we are just going to ये off ही होने वाला है अभी. So we
Okay.
did a map, demo map. We have done it. Okay.
Fine, ma'am.
Here
if it
is.
is possible.
Wait, let me check. Yeah. There was something na Ritu ma'am, you were
Yeah.
Ritu ma'am, you were sharing like
Huh.
when you clicked on a link, it was asking for location.
Yeah.
Okay, so here you go. Here is we are doing a map. It is there in the Padlet. Okay, so how do we do it is, may I do it once again for you because you won't understand how I started it.
Okay.
Right? So here you go. टाइम भी बंद हो जाए. Okay, now you have to create on make a Padlet. Make a Padlet. Go to this option, blue one, map. You have to first go to padlet.com, create your ID, that is free of cost. You will be able to create 3 Padlets without spending even a single penny, right? Okay, and you'll be able to reuse them. Padlet.com, you will be going to maps, select the map, and now as you select your sarees for different occasions, so you may select the color of the map also. Okay. So here you go. You want this color, that color matching with your dress, and medieval satellite video, whatever. So you just select it. Okay. I earlier select the usual one. This silver one you want to select, black metal, medieval, retro, different colors, water view, satellite view, whatever you want to take. You may use any of it. Okay. I am just selecting now this time. Let me select something else. This retro one. Okay. So I have selected this map. Okay, this is done. I'm going back. Now, how I'm going to use it? I will be sharing this link with my students from here, or I may use this option share. Click on share. I will be able to get copy link to clipboard. To make my class interesting, I may get a QR code, let my children scan and then find what is the homework that ma'am has given, right? You want to give in Google Classroom, on Twitter, on Facebook, email. You want to share their work as image, as PDF, CSV file. It's up to you how you want to save it, right? So now
Okay.
let us go back to that, because there already some people have, they have worked over there. So I'm going to that again, that we have already done. We have done this Padlet just right now when you were not there. Okay, you were absent.
So Padlet could be used like on
For
Zoom
teaching
also along
social
with Zoom.
science. Yes, abhi Zoom bhi to pad rahe
Studies.
hain, Baba.
Okay.
Right now Zoom bhi to kar rahe hain. ठीक है?
हाँ,
So
हाँ, fine,
here,
fine.
right? So abhi, for example, I asked everybody to post the hometown location. Okay. So
Okay.
here I posted, somebody has posted Nakodar, Punjab. I have posted my location and I have uploaded my picture also. Okay. Or you may, how you will be able to use, if I ask, okay, all the students quickly go ahead. We are talking about monuments of India. Let me see how many you can find. You have to write your name and post the picture also. This is the activity that you can do.
Okay,
Like, where is
yes,
it located? Okay, usually it is
Fine,
being
fine.
done. I'm just giving you one example. You can do it in any of the way. Okay, so you have to go to plus sign. Okay, the children, they are thinking, okay, Golden Temple is in Amritsar. Okay, now I'm writing Golden Temple. आ गया Golden Temple. Jallianwala Bagh, ये वो सब आ गया. I'll click over here, Golden Temple, Amritsar. Now मुझे पिक्चर भी डालनी है, या तो मैं अपनी पिक्चर डालूं कि ये काम मैंने किया है, नहीं तो बेटर है गोल्डन टेम्पल किया तो गोल्डन टेम्पल की डाल देते हैं.
Should be there.
Okay, so I'll go to Google. I want to search images Golden Temple, right? ये तो इसमें सारा आ रहा है क्योंकि मैंने सारा ही लिख रखा है ना उसमें. तो I'll go to Golden Temple. Golden Temple, get set, go. Here is Golden Temple. Just select it. And it is done. Now, who has done it? You may ask your students, write your name so that you will be able to check. So this is done by Meenakshi. Now you have to see whether it is a Golden Temple is historical building or monument or not. Or maybe बच्चे ने अपना ही घर post कर दिया है. So then you have to rate, give them marks. You want to give them stars. 1 star, 2 star, 3 star. Okay, correct है या पूरा है. So this will be done. You know, CBSE says we have to go for self-reflection, peer reflection, teacher reflection. यहाँ पे सबको बोलो कि give them marks. अभी यहाँ पर one, this is one shows one person has reviewed. One. Okay. So you may ask, everybody has to review. कितने जनों ने review किया है? You will be able to check, and you may ask each other. Everybody has to review each and every other's post. Otherwise, you will not be able to get the marks.
Acha, whosoever is agree, like, okay, he has done correct. So that number is going to be reflected over here.
Yes. Yes.
Fine,
So
fine,
this
fine.
is how we did last year also map in our school,
Okay.
right? Like for example, you are asking where was
Like for the states, sorry to interrupt you,
mhm,
like to
mhm.
find out the state. Generally, when we are doing the political division of India, so the
हाँ,
first thing which comes is to identify the states of India.
हाँ, हाँ.
Now I'll say ki okay, where is Uttar Pradesh?
रितुभम let us do one thing. We are going to log out. आप अभी एक बार log out सारे कर लेते हैं and जिसको आना है they may rejoin. Okay, log out करके दोबारा
अच्छा,
join कर लो so that it will begin, right?
अगर there is you know,
Yes, Ritu ma'am. Shall I start? Yes, ma'am. What were you asking?
yeah, I was asking that if children, they have to locate the states.
Hmm.
Okay.
Hmm.
So how will they do? Like this is something like to find out the monument or
See,
maybe any specific.
let me tell you. The thing is, if you should not ask the questions to them like that. If you will be asking them, okay, अगर आपको सिर्फ उनको location बताना है, where is Punjab located, तो they will search over here. For example, ये मैंने search किया and I have written here Punjab, India. I'll select it over here and I am there in Punjab. Here is Punjab. Okay.
Okay.
Okay, and I want to search and I want to check here Punjab, India. मुझे यहाँ का मैप पंजाब का मैप ही डाल दूं इसके ऊपर कुछ भी anything मतलब suppose I am putting it over here like that. So मैंने पिक्चर में यही डाल दिया कि this is पंजाब. आप ये आ जाओ. ओके, सो ये आपका पंजाब का लोकेशन आ गया. यहाँ पे बहुत सारे ये पिंक वाली जो डॉट्स है, इट मींस कितने बच्चों ने काम किया है, लोकेट किया है. ओके, सो हियर इज पंजाब. पंजाब इज लोकेटेड हियर, राइट. इसको बड़ा करना है, छोटा करना है, एग्जैक्ट के लिए आप जैसे मर्जी उसको बड़ा करके देख सकते हो. कैन यू सी पंजाब?
अच्छा, ओके
ओके. और इसको
हाँ,
बड़ा
this is
करोगे तो यू विल बी एबल टू सी पूरा पंजाब का, पटियाला, सिरसा, ये वो लुधियाना, मलेरकोट,
each and every city.
सब कुछ it is visible. Now how you will be able to do is you should ask questions to your students about, I mean to say, okay, you have to find the capital of
maybe capital of
Chandigarh,
Haryana or capital
किसी
of
भी,
हाँ capital of Uttar Pradesh or Madhya Pradesh, any of the
हाँ, कैपिटल ऑफ
states
उत्तर प्रदेश. और बच्चे को आपने ऐसे वाला क्वेश्चन दोगे तो उसको सोचना भी पड़ेगा ना उसकी कैपिटल कौन सी है. एंड ड्यूरिंग योर लाइव क्लास व्हेन यू विल बी शेयरिंग, आपके सामने बच्चे हैं तो वो तो कहीं नहीं जा रहे, वो यहीं पे अगर उनको आता है तो दे विल बी एबल टू फाइंड. उनको बोलोगे ओके यू हैव टू फाइंड दिस, फाइंड करके अपना नाम लिखना है किसने वो फाइंड करी है वहां पर. एंड देन दे विल बी एबल टू गिव मार्क्स. तो आपके पास एज इट इज है. एंड नाउ सी द ब्यूटी ऑफ दिस इज यू विल बी गोइंग टू शेयर एंड सेव एज इमेज करना है, सेव एज पीडीएफ करना है. मैं इसको एज अ पीडीएफ मैंने सेव कर रही हूँ. आई वांट टू सेव इट एज A4 साइज. ओके, लैंडस्केप में कर लेती हूँ क्योंकि ऐसे मैप आ जाएगा. तो पब्लिश पीडीएफ. नाउ लुक हियर, इट विल बी डन इन फ्रंट ऑफ यू. क्योंकि इसमें 3 पेडलेट्स आर फ्री. तो डोंट वरी, 3 फ्री है तो आप एक काम करके सेव कर लिया, अगली बारी नया बना लो, उसको आपने डिलीट कर लिया. तो ये आपका पेडलेट सेव हो गया. इसमें देखो क्या क्या बच्चों ने लोकेट किया था. ये पंजाब लोकेट किया था, ये मीनाक्षी ने किया है. आ गया ना आपके पास सेव होके. आपका अपना बच्चों का असाइनमेंट है, रिकॉर्ड, रिकॉर्ड के लिए, मार्क्स के लिए, राइट. ये दीप्ति मैम ने ये किया था. आई डिड दैट. सो दिस इज हाउ इट इज बीइंग डन एंड सेव्ड.
ओके,
यहाँ पर ये इन्होंने पिक्चर्स नहीं डाली है बट दे हैव रिटन अहमदाबाद, गुजरात, हरियाणा, मुलांद ईस्ट, मुंबई, महाराष्ट्र. सो ये इन्होंने दे हैव जस्ट अभी वी डिड इट ना बिफोर यू ज्वाइन. तो उन्होंने
Okay,
ये सब सर्च किया था, दे हैव नॉट पोस्टेड पिक्चर्स, बट ये आपके पास सेव हो गया ना, सेव इट, यू डाउनलोड इट, आप उसना उसको डिलीट कर दो, नया पेडलेट बना लो।
I would get 3 chances, like 3 pedalets I would able to create.
मैम रितु मैम, आपने एक क्लास में एक करवा लिया, नेक्स्ट टाइम
हाँ
अगर
जी।
आपका इनकम्प्लीट हुआ है, यू मे कंटिन्यू विद दैट पेडलेट। जब आपने वो एक्टिविटी करवा ली, सेव इट एज पीडीएफ, उसको डिलीट कर दो, दोबारा बना लो, वो फ्री में आपका हमेशा ही
अच्छा
काम चलेगा। व्हाई टू स्पेंड
अच्छा अच्छा, वो कंटिन्यू, ओके ओके ओके, गॉट इट गॉट इट, फाइन,
ठीक है,
ठीक है,
so
दैट्स
this is
ग्रेट,
how.
रियली समथिंग वेरी न्यू, आई नीड टू वर्क अपॉन इट।
We did it last year. अभी कल परसों जब भी हम मिलेंगे, जैसे भी म्यूचुअली देख लेंगे अवेलेबिलिटी, we will be doing
हाँ जी।
timeline.
अच्छा।
We'll be doing games creation. We'll be doing आप तो अभी वो जमाना गया रितु मैम, जब हम पहले हाथ से लिख कर देते थे वर्कशीट, then we started giving our another worksheet print out. Now we are giving on mail. Now we are having live worksheets का जमाना है, live.
Okay, okay.
Yes.
So children they will do in the class itself, okay?
नहीं, उनको होमवर्क करोगे, वो वहीं पर चेक भी हो जाएगी वर्कशीट।
अच्छा।
Yes.
So this is also good.
This is how we'll do that. Okay. रितु मैम यहीं हो, कहीं चले गए? Are you here? फ्रीज हो गई है स्क्रीन। हेलो।